I don't even think we needed an alarm clock for Asher. He doesn't even have a job. Okay.
Hi, Mashems. The camera was died and we're opening this Lego. Let's see what's inside.
We got a Lego alarm clock Superman at Bed Bath & Beyond. It was on clearance. It was only $12.49, so with our 20% off coupon that they send you all the time, it was only $10. Couldn't pass it up.
Can you open it?
All right, so we got Superman. He's a Lego guy. Check it out, $12.49, super cheap. I don't even think we needed an alarm clock for Asher. He doesn't even have a job. Okay. Well, looks like he's taped in there pretty good. Let's unbox him and we'll come back and show you what he looks like out of the box.
It's a line clock. Oh, he lights.
Yeah, he lights up. You can push his head to make him light up. You push his head to make him snooze. He runs on battery, so you don't have to put him next to an outlet. And he's like a full-on Lego figurine. His arms move, his legs move, his head moves. And he's got that super cool cape, too.
Cool.
Very neat. Turn him around and show the Asher moles the light. Oh, look how light. Look at that blue light. It's cool. Push his head again. Watch him light up. Yeah.
He has eye move.
Wow. Is he super cool?
Yeah.
Are you gonna wake up on time every day now?
Yeah.
Yeah, show him how the arms and legs move.
Look at this. His arms move and his leg move and his head moves and his eye moves and this one moves up and down.
Cool.
It comes with batteries.
It did come with batteries, that's right. Let's see here, what's it say? So you push his head to make him snooze. There's an alarm clock. It can ding. You can set it's a digital clock, so you can set it by the hours and the minutes. I thought it took double A's, but it takes 2 triple A's. I don't know how long the triple A's will last, but it's just a black and white digital alarm clock, so it'll probably last quite a while. You don't want to be late for school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want to.
All right.
Ooh, light.
Very cool. Super good deal.